Hi guys, we are back in Bali. I lived here for about 10 months before the pandemic. I really do need it. It's like 9 or 10 months. And I'm just basing it off of how many times I remember that I like re-upped my visa, but I didn't stay in my full last visa, so I don't know. But I am very surprised on how much I missed Bali. I was very excited to come here. I was so nervous I wasn't going to get on the plane, which I think is pretty much everyone's like anxiety, because I missed 2 different fucking flights leaving Hong Kong, or trying to leave Hong Kong to the Philippines. Cost me some extra money too, but so yeah, respect the burger. I think that's the place that had the fucking delicious burrito. Anyways, we passed Gusto's. I gotta stop at Gusto's for sure. By far, guys, that's probably, well, I mean, it may not be the best. Certainly not horrible. I mean, it's fucking up there. It's like really good fucking shit. But, more importantly, go that way. What's going on here? More importantly, it's a little wider of a bike. I like, it's nice to have a small bike because you can just kind of zoom in and out. More importantly, it's delicious, and there's like 50 flavors. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, it's a must stop in Bali for sure. Whether you're an Instagrammer or not. I should probably get an Instagram. This is a prison. Looks like they're remodeling the prison. Hell, maybe it's not a prison anymore. Fuck. Yeah, so this divider wall didn't used to be there when I first got here. Like, for the first couple of months, this little divider wall didn't used to be here. And then they put it up. So now you gotta go down past the divider wall, do a fucking U-turn. And I gotta keep reminding myself about driving on the right side of the road. I can't believe that guy remembered me. I figured he would remember my buddy Angel. Maybe it's not the same guy. I don't know. I did rent from 2 different people. Ooh. But yeah, so this is Bali traffic. This is like, look, it's just helmets for miles, boys. Helmets for miles. I may say the Philippines is bad. Manila ain't nothing like this. That's half sidewalk, half road, half gutter. This is traffic right here. The worst part is this goddamn dividing wall. If I would have remembered, I would have went back, basically back to my place, well, to Maha. Would have went that way. Forgot about this fucking wall. When's it end? When's the wall end? Are you fucking kidding me? But like, I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but just alone, like, the breathe quality is so much better in Bali. Like, the air is just fresh and crisp. There's all these cars and bikes. Nothing like Manila. Manila was just smog everywhere. Like, every car was putting out smog. Man, I fucked up with this wall. So anyways, we're trying to find Durian. Hello! Forget the native language. But you kind of just, you go where there's room. That's like the universal rule. Only America tries to control chaos. They do a horrible job at it. Absolutely horrible. This lady wanted to go, and I'm not familiar enough with this bike yet. But she's definitely familiar with her bike. Yeah, if I remember correctly, street food and food market vendors, stuff like that. Man, if I would have remembered that wall was there, I would have went back basically to the hotel first. It would have been much, much better. I don't remember getting too much street barbecue last time I was here. I did a lot of cooking on my own. I was trying to lose weight. I did lose weight. But I'm always trying to lose weight. For some reason I can maintain basically my current weight, but for some reason I can't lose like 30 pounds and maintain that weight. I keep fucking yo-yoing. And now we get to U-turn. In theory. So yeah, this is a much bigger scooter than the last couple of scooters. Fortunately, it doesn't feel like it has any more pep. We'll get her, we'll open her up, because we'll be, when we go up to Blue Flames, it'll be open roads for a good minute. Yeah, Bali, how I've missed you. Which is surprising. Yeah, it's surprising how much it's good to be back in Bali. A lot of foreigners, a lot of foreigners. It's probably because they literally have like zero requirements to come in to the to Indonesia other than be vaccinated, right? So like that is the requirement. The requirement is be vaccinated. Yeah, this is basically Australia's little playground. So this is, I guess, their Hawaii. She's got a little bit of get up and go, but not as squirrely as I'd like her. Left lane, right lane, left lane, right lane. It's my little motto to remind me to stay on my side of the road. If I remember correctly, this was always a long traffic light. I definitely feel like the major bikes last time, not these ones. Maybe I was just because I wasn't riding them. I feel like it was those little Hondas right there. Yeah, the Valero. But that's also what I was riding at the time. So maybe I just didn't notice. Oh shit, there's a USB. Like right up here's the road that the fucking hotel was on. So if I would have remembered that dividing wall, then I wouldn't have